Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vanilla cupcakes in your microwave. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a tiny pinch of salt. For the wet components, have 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 egg yolk ready. Don't forget your microwave-safe ramekins. Now let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give them a good whisk. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently mix your wet ingredients, milk, oil, vanilla, and the egg yolk. Once both are ready, slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir just until everything is combined. Overmixing can lead to a dense cupcake, and we want them light and fluffy. It's time to bake. Carefully divide your batter among 4 microwave-safe ramekins or cupcake liners. Remember to fill each one about 2/3 full. This leaves room for them to rise beautifully. Place 1 ramekin in the microwave and cook on high for approximately 60 to 90 seconds. Cooking times can vary, so check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cupcake is ready. Congratulations, you've made microwave vanilla cupcakes. Carefully remove the hot ramekins from the microwave using oven mitts. Let them cool in their containers for a few minutes before gently unmolding them onto a wire rack. This allows them to cool completely, which is crucial before adding any frosting. Once cool, get creative. Add your favorite buttercream, a simple glaze, or just a dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy your quick and delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.